Oracle, are you human? With my project, Oracle, instead of asking for an answer, I hope that visitors will ask themselves more questions, like the Oracle is already asking us, each one of us, are we human? Now with this, I wouldn't say, are we a Homo sapien? Of course we are, but what makes us human? What kind of qualities? Especially in today's world, where we are bombarded every day with outside stimulus, and it's very difficult to find somehow a quiet time and to look within ourselves, to really be comfortable with who we are and to have a kind of stable ground and confidence, and also to retain our, so to say, inner voice. What does it mean to have an inner voice? I think having an inner voice is something that is very special to being human. It means that we have a certain sensitivity, which is different to a machine, at least for now. And I think it's very important that we are aware of this capability, of this sensitivity that we as humans have, and we have to nurture this because it's like a muscle. You have to train it, otherwise it can atrophize and go away. And I think in today's time, where technology is such a part of our lives, in many ways it is making our lives a lot easier, and this is also a danger of it, that it can also become so much a part of our lives that we don't even understand anymore, and we take for granted the human presence. So we have to, at least in times like the fasting time and through means such as art, we have to reflect about this and also be skeptical and look from as many different perspectives and be critical. And this is what Oracle is asking us to do, asking us to think about what makes us human, how we have changed, how we want to change, where are we going, and how can we save what it means to be a human.
In diesem Jahr feiert der Klangförder Dom ein kleines Jubiläum, denn vor 20 Jahren wurde zum ersten Mal die Kunst im Dom eingerichtet. Der damalige Dompfarrer, heutige Stiftspfarrer vom Ressal, Josef Lastonko, hat das gemacht. Und ich freue mich, dass wir heuer eine international anerkannte Künstlerin haben, Eva Petrič, die Orakel als Kunstwerk gestaltet hat. Sie greift dabei die große Frage der digitalen Welt auf: Bist du menschlich? Sie zeigt dabei die Hände, die wie vor einer Glasscheibe sind, nämlich das ist die Art und Weise, wie wir die heutige Welt berühren. Wir greifen die Dinge nicht mehr direkt an, sondern wir tippen auf eine Glasscheibe und schauen, was ist denn dahinter. Aber wir begreifen die Dinge nicht mehr selbst. Und da ist die Frage natürlich, bist du menschlich? In doppelter Weise, es wird das Was und das Wie gefragt. Was ist das, was mit mir spricht oder mit mir interagiert? Ist das ein Mensch oder eine Maschine? Und vor allem auch wie. Wie gehen Menschen miteinander um? Hat uns die Maschine menschlicher gemacht oder müssen wir dann noch mehr auf die innere Stimme hören?